Magandang araw po, ako po si Jeffrey Santos, and from a year ago, maalala ninyo, isa ako sa mga ambassador ng FORTIUS Bikes. And sa ngayon, may bago tayong inilalabas. This is called the Dark Knight ng FORTIUS. As you can see naman, sa frame pa lang, astig na. Kasi yung curve ng frame niya coincides with yung sa balanse ng bisikleta. So this is a typical hardtail. And nakakonekta sa frame na yan is of course yung hydraulic shocks ninyo, nakasama na rin with the bike. This is a very good startup bike, by the way. And ang isa sa mga added nila is yung kanilang hub nila is detachable na. So, alam ba, magkaroon tayo ng problema, magkaroon ng flat, madali na siyang tanggalin, madali ipaayos. Then, ito yung mga magaganda sa bisikleta na to. Because normally, kapag nagsisimula ka palang magbuo ng bike and you use it for a few times, ang nagiging problema mo is nalalaman mo na agad kung ano yung mga dapat mong palitan. But this time around, check it out, you have L2 shifters, A3 na 3x8. When I say 3x8, tatlo ang crank, 8 ang cog. So it will give you good speed, it will give you good choices, it will give you good options. And sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ang L2 po, ang nag-develop ng L2 is actually a researcher and R&D na research and developer ng SRAM before sa China. Nagsara yung kumpanya nila sa China, so they decided to create L2. So this is also compatible with the higher ends kung sakasakali gusto niyo mag-upgrade. And another plus factor are the brakes. They are already hydraulic brakes. Again, I cannot reiterate na ang unang-unang madalas pinapalitan sa bisikleta are the brakes. But in this case, since hydraulic na siya, these are si Myers. And dahil hydraulic brakes na siya, no need to change. It will last as long as you can last. Then we go to the tires. Ang tires natin are compass. These are 27.5. These are all-terrains, and at the same time, kung makikita ninyo, ang grooves niya is palayo. So that means kapag dumaan ka sa dirt, ilalayo niya yung dirt sa gulong. Therefore, for grip, for traction. So this is your FORTIUS Dark Knight. Kami pong freebies na kasama yan, katulad na helmet. I cannot insist kung gaano ka-importante ang safety, especially when riding a bike. And a helmet, of course, protects your head. So, imposible mag-ride nang wala ang helmet. So, kasama yan. And then you have your 6 months free tune-up. And then you have your free bike fitting sa selected CycleHouse outlets, of course, with authorized bike fitters. Bakit tayo nagba-bike fit? Of course, kung ika nga if you're trying to go into a car, sumasakay ka to feel the drive. Ito naman, finifit sa'yo yung bisikleta. Because not everybody is as tall as me, not everybody will be as big as me, and the bike itself needs to adjust sa comfort zone mo sa pag-ride. Now, let's talk about yung loyalty card ng CycleHouse. Nakikita niya yan. Ganyan ginagawa sa mga TikToks. Yan, nakikita yan. So, ang loyalty card ng CycleHouse will be given to you for every 500 peso purchase. So, kung bumili ka at umabot ka ng 500 pesos, you get this for free. Now, paano mo gagamitin ito? For every 100 pesos, dun sa store na pinagbilhan mo, na inisyo to, you get 1 point. 1 point is equivalent to, syempre, 1 peso. Now, the points can be used to purchase services, products, and believe it or not, appliances. They have appliances in certain stores that you could change your points to. So, ang maganda nito, sa ngayon, sa store na pinagkuhaan mo pa lang ng card siya available. But in the near future, because may mga ina-anticipate pa silang developments, this will be integrated in all stores. So you have to get yours now. Get in on the gravy train bago magkaubusan. Well, hindi naman mauubos, but be one of the pioneers. So this loyalty card will give you access dun sa mga pwede mong i-purchase, whether produkto, services, or appliances. Again, the loyalty card from CycleHouse. That's it for FORTIUS. And alam nyo, stand around for more updates. So far, the FORTIUS Dark Knight, The bike that you will need, the bike that will need you, and at the same time, walang masyadong papalitan. It's a good startup bike.